So hello everyone, for today's video, nandito kami sa small farm. So I am here now in my small farm and we will slaughter horse. So this is the horse that I'm going to slaughter. That's the horse. So I am with my niece. Come here. Yes, my beautiful niece. Oh. So just the two of us. For today's video, I'm going to slaughter this horse. So I will bring this horse over there. Okay. So guys, magkakatay kami ng kabayo ngayon, no? At ito yung kabayo na kakatayin namin. So nandito kami sa aking small farm, kaya wala kaming makain, kaya kabayo na lang. So sige na.
Daring isa ka ting oh. Daring isa ting.
So for today's video, I'm going to slaughter this horse. So we will wear apron. We'll wear apron para no more. So I will wear apron. Hikot may apron, babe. And of course, gloves. Okay. So this is the gloves. So, Draco na to, be. Ikaw na, be. Oh. So guys, we are done slaughtering horse and now we will wash our hands. Will you remove my apron? So I have to remove my gloves. So this is the knife that we use. So I'm washing my apron. my legs. What's that? Smells so good. Smells so good. My feet smell so good. So I will wear it again. So this is the gloves. Are you done? So this is my niece. She is the one who is helping me, Miss Annie. So subscribe to her. You can also request to her slaughter video. So let's go. So now we will go back to our hut. Let's go. How does it feel? It's okay. It's so tiring. So come here. So we will go back to the Bahay Kubo and take a rest. Dali ra kayo pa. So that is the small hut here. He had here in my small farm, and we are cooking rice. We are cooking rice. One fish. Oh, look at the fish. Oh my God. So we are cooking rice, and this is the fish. So for our breakfast, it's very hot. We don't have kuans. We get thirsty slaughtering. We have a lot of drinks here. Hey, hello. Oh, there is cat here. here. Hello. Hello. What is your name? Huh? So there is cat here. So thank you so much to all my sponsors. Thank you so much for the money that we used to buy a horse. So I really appreciate it. Hope I satisfy your eyes.